What is Python programming? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and other applications. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is known for its simple, easy to read syntax and powerful libraries. It is an object-oriented language, which means that it is based on the concept of objects and classes. Python code is executed line by line, making it easy to debug and test. Python supports a wide variety of programming paradigms, including procedural, functional, and object-oriented programming. It has a large active community, developers who has created numerous libraries and frameworks that make it is easy to use Python for a wide range of tasks. Some of the most popular libraries and frameworks for Python including NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, Django for web development, Flask for web applications, and TensorFlow for machine learning. So why do we learn Python programming? The question is very interesting. Python is a versatile programming language that is widely used in various fields such as web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, and many more. There are several reasons why learning Python programming is important. So number one, easy to learn. Python has a simple and easy to understand syntax, making it easy to learn even for beginners. Number two, versatility. Python is a versatile language and can be used for various applications. It is used in web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, scientific computing, and more. Number two, large community. Python has a large community of developers who contribute to its development and provide supports to new learners. Number three, high demand. There is a high demand for Python developments in the job market, making it a valuable skill to have. Number four, open source. Python is an open source language, which means it is free to use and distribute. Number five, extensive libraries. Python has a vast collection of libraries and modules that make programming tasks easier and faster. Overall, learning Python programming can open up a wide range of opportunities and provide a strong foundation for a career in technology. So where do we learn free Python programming? It's a very interesting topic, so everybody like it. There are many resources available online where you can learn Python programming for free. So let me tell you, here are a few options that are very free. Codecademy. Codecademy is a popular platform for learning to code. They offer a free Python course for beginners which covers the basic of Python programming. Number two, edX. edX is an online learning platform that offers a free Python courses from top universities around the world. Number three, Coursera. Coursera is another online learning platform that offers a range of Python courses, including many free options. Number four, Python.org. The official Python website provides a variety of resources for learning Python, including documentation, tutorials, and a community forum. Number five, YouTube. There are many YouTube channels dedicated to teaching Python programming, such as CentDex and Korea Scaffer. Number six, HitBug. GitHub is a platform for sharing and collaborating on code. You can find many Python projects and resources on GitHub that can help you learn Python. Remember that learning to code requires consistent practice and dedication. It's important to find resources that work for your learning style and to stick within it. Now it's a turn to top 5 books to learn Python programming. So number one, the Python Crash Course. a hands-on project based on Introduction to Programming by Eric Mathis. This book is an excellent introduction to Python for beginners with a focus on practical applications through coding exercises and project. Number 2, Learning Python by Mark Lutz. This is a comprehensive guide to learning Python, covering all aspects of language from basics to advanced topics like GUI programming and web development. Number 3, Python for Data Analysis. Data Wrangling with Pandas, NumPy and IPython by Wes McKinney. This book is ideal for those who want to learn Python specifically for data analysis and manipulation, with a focus on the popular data analysis library Pandas. Number 5, Fluent Python. Clear, concise and effective programming by Luciano Ramello. This book is aimed at intermediate to advanced Python programmers who want to improve their coding skills and learn more about Python's advanced features and best practices. Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. Practical Programming for Total Beginners by AI Swagart. This is a great resource for beginners who want to learn Python by applying it to real world tasks like web scraping, data analysis and automation. Now, in conclusion, Python is a versatile, easy to learn and powerful programming language that can be used for a wide range of applications, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. It's a large and active community, coupled with a vast library of tools and frameworks, makes it an excellent language for anyone looking to build applications in various domains. So hope you understood what is Python programming.